Let's scroll down and choose a template for our criminal story. So we're gonna click on stories and see what they got. Nope. Nope. Yeah. I'm gonna choose this one. Same steps, we just paste our idea in this box right here. Alright, so let's check the video. Let's just export it and watch it.
The craziest bank heist ever pulled off was actually in Brazil. In 2005, a group of thieves planned to rob the Banco Central, the country's central bank.
Looks
But there was a
amazing,
problem.
isn't it?
The bank was
And
heavily
with
guarded
just
with
an
security
idea, this
cameras and
AI
alarms
can create
everywhere.
full
So the
videos,
thieves did
like
something crazy.
literally from
They hacked
scratch.
into the bank's computer system and disabled all of the security cameras. Then they released a virus that allowed them to control all of the bank's ATMs. On the day of the heist, the thieves arrived at the bank dressed as construction workers. They had backpacks full of explosives and they were ready to blow open the vault. But as they were about to do the unthinkable, they realized that they had made a mistake. The vault was empty because it was lunchtime, and
Alright, let's create our third video.